Hello everyone, welcome to Mann Aura Art. Continuing further, my favorite heart touching topic, nature, that is Kudrat, and from that, I am taking today our rivers. Rivers from mountains to sea, they travel tirelessly, spreading freshness, fertility, hope. They provide us with water, fresh water for drinking and irrigation. And while flowing, they deposit silt, which makes the soil fertile. Rivers also help in producing electricity through dams. They support farming, wildlife, and human life. They are silent providers, flourish and bloom the life around. This is the reason why civilization took place along river banks. Rivers have been providing us with so many things which are sustaining our life, which makes our life move from irrigation for farming, life to aquatic animals and plants. Thanks to the nature for blessing us with flowing rivers.